Welcome foam crafters, makers, and artists. This video will show you all you need to know about the full Cordless Industrial hot knife kit. This kit comes with a plethora of accessories that make the Cordless Industrial hot knife one of the most versatile foam coating tools out there. It has the hot knife with a rechargeable battery, both 6-inch and 4-inch straight cutting blades, a pack of shapeable routing blades, a sled guide with a 12-inch shapeable grooving blade, a cleaning brush, an Allen wrench for tightening the blade, a battery charger, and a sturdy carrying case to keep it all together. To use the hot knife, pick which size blade you want and attach it to the receptacle with the Allen wrench. Attach the battery, then move the heat adjustment dial to the desired setting. Hold the trigger down to start cutting. A fully charged battery can last up to 45 minutes with the hot knife on full blast. Releasing the trigger between cuts extends how long the battery can be used before it needs to be recharged. When swapping blades or accessories, we recommend removing the battery and letting the current attachment cool down so you don't accidentally burn yourself. Your kit should include 2 shapeable round blades and 2 shapeable flat blades that plug right into the hot knife for creative sculpting. To use these, attach them to the hot knife receptacle with the Allen wrench as shown here, then bend them in the desired shape. Attach the battery, then move the heat adjustment dial to the desired setting. Your kit also includes a sled guide with shapeable cutting blades for routing, grooving, and creating long and straight channels. To use this, first either pre-bend your cutting wire into the desired shape and then attach it, or you can attach it first and then bend the wire into shape. Attach it to the receptacle with the Allen key as shown. We recommend attaching it reversed as shown here because the battery can get in the way when attached normally. However, if you really need to attach it normally or just simply prefer it that way, all you need to do is have it stick out a little bit and it still works perfectly fine. Attach the battery, then move the heat adjustment dial to the desired setting. When finished cutting, you can clean off your cutting blade with a dry paper towel while holding the trigger down at a lower heat setting. Be sure to bunch the paper towel up fairly thick so the heat doesn't burn your fingers. If foam builds up and hardens on your blade, you can use the included wire brush to clean it off. To recharge the battery, simply plug the charger into a wall socket, then plug it into the receptacle on the battery. A red light indicates that it's charging, while a green light means it's ready to go. You can also check the charge level of the battery by pressing the power button on the front. That's all you need to know about the Cordless Industrial hot knife kit. Thanks for watching and happy foam crafting.